I wish for aha Ghana TV GH. Message or like a comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to be notified.
Cliff, I'd say, come share, no. How do we actually approach income share or politics more? And is it not doing more harm than good to us as a country?
Yeah, me chia no atifu.
Ejozo.
Sometimes near be see, I did one program in engineering forecasting. Forecasting prognost what's this word? Maybe it should come. It's the same word. I mean forecasting, seeing the future. See, me share now the bar even in our modern day life. And for that matter, these are prophets. Fine. To say they will lay the foundation. No? I mean, share yame the institutions out this see homa nipa men and then the diversion how men want to live on their own life. Clearly see about how nyame a person nipa etra asase so in between the two no be hu de nyankopon no ope ene de ne nipa nso epe in brain bebre kra no si yakọ na uhwe the Israelites na time bia na ombekọ ahokyere mu bia no omo ape de omo ape which na ne de nyame pe. So one of the institutions is politics here you play. You ask yourself, is this the institutions of God or men? And for me, it has no place in this prophecy, prognostications. That is the word. Now, why we as ADN lead into what we call necromancy. To say, ube frefre abosom name, samant, and this are never. It's very dangerous. But the point is that, and the baby who yankupo any money. Is the only country in the world, Ghana, a tiny country which is even a subset in one of the, I mean, we call Nigeria about 4 times of Nigeria. Ghana is 4.5 part of Nigeria. You over America, say, you're one of the state. And Osha, we are belittling God. And it is only so when you have a twaba. So God, our friends, boys. Is it that Yabetua Bankwana we see the power of God? No. Is it only when election time or Ghana 31st that we see the power of God? And look, and so okay, usi Bawumia be win. So win and so what? Na Namen Sira ni nyina ya nyana. No. They ye any a friend is say so be the year was as so and this will be to be a trend no there are clear distinctions. So like ube till everybody will be the part no because when God rain water it togu ubia so Ghana whether bonne whether the okochi ureba go ye bibi ni na to nsuo go bi so the salvation equation is different from say ube ye jumade na benyeska. I don't know what is what here. Say ube di ye was asasi so and this say ube nya the Dutch fly my belief as being a Christian. What I say? So okay the next the next world after you know it's entirely different. In terms of no what God has called them to salvation or that is the right word. So ube konkwajim, say ube transat, ube papa, ube niema, no wenya the next day. A different from because see, and this there are other parts of the world who doesn't believe in your belief. Yet, Omadi, what am I say?
Yeah.
He doesn't believe in but the was for instance, an artist who doesn't believe in anything. No yet or a friend is say why or a scientist and answer or a doctor who say good life or Jimmy Pankwa through what he has learned.
Yeah.
That's any pardon way or no will you ask him say we are atheist and I say we are occult and that's all you way. No. So anyama na omo ye no omo belittle God omo menyankopon ye ketwe. Na ebisisi Bible no bebre o. Paul eko krobi anu okoko keka nyamsem okọ na kuru no na abaya bi anu afa kuru no mu okasa te se bi angagana okasa na titiri president no mo ho popo titiri ne ebeti Paul ye anwade na kwala ne feel say Paul kuta honhomfun na na ode ono no honhom ni bi so ba na Paul de na wahu no with its third eye into okoye no sarcastic or no say pese oje ne power ne bi otia and say you I know you. So into nyemre bia the point here is that nyemre bia obi hu animu na kire say free nyame e okra no nyempre bebre and I make an say no e lead into necromancy to say obefre kabre chichere ni abosomsom eno so timi because see nye obi ohu animu bia na sabi o oye voice me bobo kakra pay me ho into after SS why na be jabo. Because that was the beginning of when I have even discovered my God. I mean, I read the Bible more. And even it doesn't go well with my belief. Obi onim Ghana bia from north down south. Unim say ye mind down. We believe our belief system no ye sa titisem no and sa ankabre teacher and sa my friend. Obi God, I know where you come from. Obi to me whom some can tell you your future. What about that?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Would that person come from God? As I see so. Well,
Some of them cry. It is taught in school. We health say some part of psychology. We are taught how to read into people.
And I make we are forecaster, I mean engineering.
Yeah.
I can see okay, in the next world, nobody will use internet. Yeah, satellite, it will be one coordinated satellite in the air. And I have made a statement. How it will come to be, I should justify it. And I can see a bit more use science, the data, and see it will come to pass. I don't know who beat me. And I said the normal Musa Dankwaye, we use mathematical analogy or regressional analysis and predict. Similarly, also can give you certain results. In between the two, there are dangers as a believer, as a man of God. It means I don't from science, I'm from belief system, me Christian values, and me traditional value as an African. It means I don't go there. No. Because see, the institution of God, no, I never know person not na angwade ba ko pa critical in the scripture say from Mizrim Nyankopon yi Israel for no from Mizrim I call the promised land in mu ache na enipa fam akodu the end omo na watan for no mo pel no when they were coming the sea was closing according to the scriptures omo kodu actually what did they do actually no they accuse even Moses I don't know am ya so it tells you the Nyankopon penombre bia nya na ye pe enipa. We should be careful as be me say as of no mo yes omo belete omo di Nyankopon eto omo nsem say Nyankopon ye keto abi no yes aneti enti Ghana for mo now me so if I know the prophecy, the foundation of it as a believer enti say obe can be beat me I process it. Now show the wisdom God has given you the same wisdom. Ebia na wo or ma saying men can say Nyankopon any time nyame nso nipa dae. But measure it with the scriptures, what that the scripture says, so that unye mistake na lead into numerical I mean say enquire one a data and I say a science and I say maybe in some freebie na bibi. Where
Right.
the difference between the two you mix up and me as on kwedi baby bibiri who we are seeing na omo ndi nyamedi yes o ma ye say ma maybe be can say who gira ma ko asori na say me too kwan so what na menya kwaji ana you are talking about ye it is not about salvation to me. Yes, and no na ye krom no ahokyere ne dose nti o ka ye dia ne nipa aye no waje atom no Your idea is different from say if you are a believer of God. Na don't know one fa premium and to say that should be what mommy as a Christian and ultimate sorry na me sum say nyagopo betimi ho free niema enye na menya sa nkwaje na obey mistake na wani akwa disconnect.
Yo,
No.
that's it. That's Uncle Wycliffe for that brilliant one. And Sebushan for as you have heard, and as I've earlier spoken, and some of our guests have spoken, Nyankopon typically unforeseen ipa. Nyankopon, he has given us a idea of our will. It's not the perfect and the permissive will of God. Nyankopon foresee will say, by all means, yes, Debbie. And so when the moment you say you go to Aba, you call election. Now Pastor Bidi or say, Nyankopon say, when I saw winning by force, so go to mana. You should know there's something at stake here. And I will leave you with this own personal experience. 2019, I'm here SRC president, Ewa UHAS. Federal SRC president. Uba UHAS, there were two different campuses. And every campus, you know, Ewa ni president, IFL, a provincial president. Now above them, you know, a federal president. Now me here, above me, the president for all campuses. Now me here, the topmost. Now, I say, Mrena ba say, me handy over. I say, me electoral committee no organize the elections. Now, election, guy na me nim say, onu na ye nipa ba wini no. Na me mpɛ na asem. Adentia, ebra me ye president no. O kan say be bread tia me. Eti na me mpɛ na asem. Ti na me mpɛ na asem kra. Eti na me dream say, how will I do to mafia this guy? I promised myself, say, guy will inquire, me hand you over to him. Now, the other person are also a contest, nemuno, also only university management, asem. And to university management, asem no, a court to the extent, say, a court, high court, whole high court. It's not meaning around that time, Pastor Biba, sorry, who say university honor it me have a joint service. Prophet Biba and Obeka say, guy management for no. I disqualify na asem no court no. Nyakupo say onu na obe win election no. Asem be ni. Now after that, this is a secret I'm revealing to you. Osha come no way no. After everything, and now also for be me respecting no pa a friend me or phone so see. On him say asem a guy no na asem wo court. But asem no suni say na downfall prophet na be share come ni wi. And yes say me make sure say cause na bem. Me ti asem no ye. Prophet na be ka say guy na asem wo court no. Ya disqualify na ewie no. Onu na akopọ so be wini. Na option come no wie ye no. Wan jan come shen say yakopọ ma asem no be mu. After the mu frame me behind closed door ma me pressure say because me ye Christoni. Okay? And I mean so sorry no as a pastors no now me connected to them. Omu frame me say I have to make sure say come shen accompany me to pass. I had to sit down and think around how to get somebody who was disqualified back into the race and give him advantage. 2019 assembly, and everything I'm saying is on record. I had to, number one, if Fred Guy say, I have a responsibility. I say me man will win the election. No. I say come shall be wanting. I say me I make a tell no. This me. Number one, go to court and go and remove the issue from court. guy no call high court and call you case no. And assembly I make up say me didn't try go high court or go 2019. Oh Abraham Norman.
John said the voice, not human factor, asset it in.
Exactly.
Until a call beyond a year. Say
Yeah.
if it has to go to the point that say what they juju or whatever, say it depending on your filter, you can do it to achieve that results.
Yeah. Exactly. And I had to let the guy go and withdraw the case. Then I wrote to management that management, you don't have any say in SRC election, so I'm not accepting your ruling, which was a very dangerous thing to do. But I had to protect the prophecy by the prophet who came to prophesy because I cannot allow him to be disgraced. Bringing the guy back into the race, and I also did other stuff that I cannot say here to give him advantage for him to win the election. And I can tell you, sir, if not because of my interventions, human interventions, because not because Christ comes into you, just because
contrary to the word of God, I mean the will of God.
The will of God. And also because other guy now can so we mean pen assembly. Physical mean pen assembly, we yami then mean pen assembly. So the same thing at our political space, mono. Never be break me, sir. And we know from 2024 how some pastors come meet and say, "Omo makremoni be di o minus." And he said, "I saw for a bit me come meet and say, Omo makremoni be di o minus." Are you telling me say that is also the voice of God? Nyakupo where uses Cyrus da. On never can say Bawumia Ntimi president. I don't believe so. Meanwhile, when I say Bawumia Ntimi president, by sorry, I call Dubai. We am Jomama called Dubai, Anna. Call Dubai.
You see, Unia, come and see which of the pastors top ones that they have not come on holidays in Dubai. Which among them? All of them. Even almost the voice. I have stayed in about 3 of their states. First in Oman, Saudi, and Qatar and Dubai. See, almost I was around when we traveled to, it was more or less unknown land. Surprisingly, no. More because they are kings and queens. Pakistanis and Indians. What I say? Into baby crack no see a non-denominated to their belief into their in their wisdom. They knew say I hope no different denominations. To see baby crack Buddhists or the and when we went there, Protestants and these Pentecostals and those the Philippines and the and I was shocked. And Ghana when you the boys who took it's one of the things apart from education. I mean, it enlightened you. When we were embarking on the journey, now I had one. My family were beginning we were Anglicans, so I went to one of the priests. But that time Magi Pentecost. Indeed, I went to one of them. I was shocked. Then me did too, because I didn't want to come. I mean, but now oil and gas for that. Say, it's kind of so Charlina point you home. So if it's kind of say, okay, I'll do my few research. I went to this, priest, and no funny book being on the Toho. Or the Toho, he was able to locate, say, Corona Okono. You know, my boy under 17 per woman, OMAN.
Yeah,
best friend, yeah. Or say, oh no,
man, our Middle East honor.
Yeah. He told me point blank, say, oh, you're good, Kaleko into see. Yes, he was able to tell. Instance, a priest, no, Roman Catholic priest, no,
yeah, hey, now 7 years, don't say easy.
Yeah, he was able to tell me, who knew no uncle Hoda, he has not been there, but from his knowledge, he was able to tell me. And surprisingly, when we went there, I saw different way of life. different. They are quite. They were even boys and young major. They were even wonder. Why do you left abandon your country and come here to do what? Because they will never travel anyhow. No, because they've built their systems. They've built and their knowledge enlightened. So, but according to so omu jai nneɛma na omu yɛ no omu nyɛ nkurɔfoɔ a the way the media has propagated them, fine, they are extremists. What I say? But how the Trump crew, there are a lot of changes, modern changes. When not Trump in the first campaign, he was telling Americans, now, if you go to their airport, we can't match them. If you go certain facility, and it is true. If you've not been in their cities, because they build modern cities, build a lot of things, and we can't match them. Now, now today Ghana, wouldn't airlines in a year about Ghana mostly are American bebre, or Egypt, Muslims.
Muslim.
Turkey Airline,
Emirates, Fly Emirates, Qatar Airways.
The top of them, the Emirates Airline. Today, the shuttle between Ghana and Dubai and our friend is other parts of the world, China, or more back market will be deep job. So when you are going to fly with those, you don't, nothing even strike you that it belongs to Muslim and that Memfo. Or who any say Jumana onye. Come embassies in staffs in our friends say staffs no my employee security and other things in great jobs. Emirates Airline, I employ a number of Ghana girls, Ghana University voice. Average salary of Emirates Airline, every crew, getting to 300 million cedis, Ghana. Who see this?
Wow.
Yes. So are you telling me said that Kauli and Ebanya Juma or Manakoye? Ajina Sala the Benya Juma or Emirates crew or Manakoye? What kind of that? Where from these things? Where? Yeah, me, my Bob Nambobo in Zongu, no, Drew Salah, they call us to dine with them. Nothing was there like that. A few, a so-called certain class of church leaders be, and I merge to propagate that kind of evil agenda. And Omoya is successful. No, we cannot sit down as a country to let them, gaslight us and then have their way through. No. Ghana for moment in now, and you know, Cressa, some of them can have unia, say, unim now no more, and I say, Babu teachings, and you're strong, they will convert you now. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
They come or Muja doye, or no more trap. I live in the midst of them, deeply in the midst of them. One time in a vacation, my wallet to Koira and $, in Yemen home. It did 2 weeks. I suspended my travel. 2 weeks. They were able to locate me. A buyer, not pink crying in free.
Wow.
Pink crying in free.
Wow.
Who been full beer deal? They said Ghana who could have phone crew be bit me for what? There will be. Now no me no matter classroom. Now no boys in the classroom. They have taken away your society now. Poverty is very endemic, and that yes simple bonny getting. Almost they've taken that thing away from them, and they are pure, straightforward, truthful. Just say all the fruit of spirit I lose as Christians. They have it. Hardly now will be there. No. Or before or the other day. Yes, will be for and I will be a kunji will be for. What? A history for them. Before what the other day.
Right.
A union may man one assignment. Sometimes go and check like better standard of living of mankind today. The number 3, 4, 5. Offense average home being a car, a simple car, or 2-3 car in average home.
Yeah.
Woman need tiny like that envious life. No. They live a nice life. But if you've not been here, out wana I didn't know any everywhere in the world obi eba vacation what the can say about vacation the abeba na ati honom na wo kika wo iti awo yonko. It's not fair. And for me bruna mo ban you know you read alongside in any course of endeavor. Also no read along at the mobile phone click here bibia to see what is going on in that, even if you know had opportunity to travel there, you see, you learn and know. So be trying to boy BBC and try to be who baby and chrono. That's
Yo.
unia.